Hey, welcome back. Microsoft Cloud Application Security provides a dashboard to discover, investigate, and control what cloud applications are being used in your organization. My name is Sushant Sutish, and I'm your trainer for this Microsoft 365 Certified Security Administrator Associate course. After this lesson, you would be able to describe cloud app security, explain how to deploy cloud app security. You would be able to control your cloud apps and policies and troubleshoot cloud app security as well. So, without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Moving to cloud increases flexibility for employees and reduces IT cost, but it also introduces new challenges and complexities for keeping your organization secure. To receive the full benefit of cloud application, an IT team must find the right balance of supporting access while maintaining control to protect critical data. Microsoft Cloud App Security provides a dashboard to discover, investigate, and control what cloud applications are being used in your organization. So, what is Cloud App Security or CAS? Cloud App Security is a comprehensive solution that can help your organization as you move to take full advantage of the promise of cloud applications while keeping you in control through improved visibility into network cloud activity. It also helps increase the protection of critical data across cloud applications. With tools that help uncover shadow IT, assess risk, enforce policies, investigate activities, and stop threats, your organization can more safely move into the cloud while maintaining control of critical data. First, let's understand Cloud App Security Framework. First, let's look at how to discover and control the use of shadow IT. You can identify the cloud apps, IaaS, and PaaS services used by your organization, and you can investigate usage patterns, assess the risk levels and business readiness of more than 16,000 SaaS apps against more than 80 risk. Start managing them to ensure security and compliance. Second is to protect your sensitive information anywhere in the cloud. So understand, classify, and protect the exposure of sensitive information at rest, leveraging out-of-the-box policies and automated processes to apply controls in real time across all your cloud apps. Then protect against cyber threats and anomalies. This will help you detect unusual behavior across cloud apps to identify ransomware, compromised users, or rogue applications, analyze high-risk usage, and remediate automatically to limit the risk to your organization. And finally, assess the compliance of your cloud applications. This will help you assess if your cloud apps meet relevant compliance requirements, including regulatory compliance and industry standards, and helps you prevent data leaks to non-compliant apps and limit access to regulated data. Microsoft Cloud App Security enables customers to discover and secure all the cloud apps in use within their organizations. Once the apps are discovered, customers can put comprehensive control in place for management and monitoring. The architecture of how Cloud App Security accomplishes this is shown in this example figure. Cloud Discovery uses your traffic logs to dynamically discover and analyze the cloud apps that your organization uses. First, let's understand what are app connectors. App connectors use APIs from cloud app providers to integrate the cloud app security with other cloud apps. App connectors extend control and protection. They also provide you with access to information directly from cloud apps for cloud app security analytics. The next one is Conditional Access App Control Protection. Microsoft Cloud App Security Conditional Access App Control utilizes reverse proxy architecture to give you the tools you need to have real-time visibility and control over access to and activities performed within your cloud environment. With Conditional Access App Control, you can protect your organization by avoiding data leaks by blocking downloads before they happen. Next thing to understand is policy control. You can use policies to define your users' behavior in the cloud and detect risky behavior violations, or suspicious data points and activities in your cloud environment. If needed, you can use policies to integrate remediation process to achieve complete risk mitigation. Multiple type of policies correlate in different types of information you might want to gather about your cloud environment and type of remediation actions you might take. So how do you deploy cloud app security? Microsoft Cloud App Security can help you take advantage of the benefits of cloud applications while maintaining control over your corporate resources. It works by improving visibility of cloud activity and helping to increase the protection of corporate data. So what are the prerequisites? First, your organization must have the license to use Cloud App Security. After you have a license for Cloud App Security, you will receive an email with activation information and link to the Cloud App Security portal. And to set up the Cloud App Security, you must be a global administrator or security administrator in the Azure Active Directory or Office 365. Let's understand how to control your cloud apps with policies. There are multiple types of policies that correlate to different types of information you want to gather about your cloud environment and the type of remediation actions you may want to take. For example, if there is a data violation threat that you want to quarantine, you need different types of policy in place than if you want to block a risky cloud app from being used by your organization. There are different types of policy. The first one is access policy. Access policies provide you with real-time monitoring and control over users' login to your cloud apps. The next one is activity policy. Activity policies allows you to enforce a wide range of automated processes that utilize the app provider's API. Then we have anomaly detection policy, app permission policy, app discovery policy, cloud discovery anomaly detection policy, and file policy. So let's talk about cloud discovery for a minute. A cloud discovery analyzes your traffic logs against Microsoft Cloud App Security Cloud App Catalog of over 16,000 cloud apps that are ranked and scored based on more than 70 risk factors to provide you with ongoing visibility into cloud use, shadow IT, and the risk shadow IT possesses into your organization. There are two types of report you can generate: snapshot reports and continuous reports. So what is snapshot reports? Snapshot reports provide ad hoc visibility on a set of traffic logs you manually upload from your firewalls and proxies. And continuous reports analyzes all logs that are forwarded from your network using Cloud App Security. Let's talk about app connectors. App connectors leverage the API of app provider to enable greater visibility and control by Microsoft Cloud App Security over the apps you connect to. And Microsoft App Security leverages the APIs provided by the cloud provider, and each service has its own framework and API limitations. The Microsoft Cloud App Security works with the services to optimize the usage of the APIs and to ensure the best performance. So how does the conditional access works with MCAS? Conditional access app control uses a reverse proxy architecture and integrates with your IDP. When integrating with Azure AD Conditional Access, you can configure apps to work with Conditional Access app control with just a few clicks, allowing you to easily and selectively enforce access and session control on your organization's app based on any condition in Conditional Access. And how session control works. Creating a session policy with Conditional Access app control enables you to control user sessions by redirecting the user through a reverse proxy instead of directly to the app. And what are the supported apps and clients? Sessions and access controls can be applied to any interactive single sign-on using the SAML 2.0 authentication protocol, or if you are using Azure AD, the OpenID Connect authentication protocol as well. You can also apply these controls to apps hosted on-premises configured with Azure AD App Proxy. So that concludes the lesson on Cloud App Security. In the next video, we're going to learn about Cloud Application Security information. So I will see you on the next one. Till then, take care.